Does your Windows laptop have started to flicker often? And by flicker, I mean that does your Windows laptop's screen blinks and it turns back to life? Well, if it's happening to you, you don't need to worry about because it's been happening to many of the Windows users, especially on the HP laptops. Now, how this problem arises is when you update your Windows 11 through the Windows Update, it actually installs a graphic driver through the OEM's website. In my case, it's the HP's website. So what happens is that after the update, your laptop will restart, but then when you start using it, it actually starts to blink often. So this blinking will eventually hinder in your day-to-day productivity. I have searched a lot on the internet regarding the solutions to this problem and haven't found any solid solution. But one solution that I am about to tell you will eventually help you get rid of this problem once and for all. Let's get started. So first of all, on your Windows laptop, you have to install Intel Support and Driver Assistant. You go to the first website and you have to download your software from here. I have already downloaded my software, so it has already checked all the necessary drivers that needs to be installed. Now here, Intel Arc and Iris Xe Windows Graphics, this thing you have to install. While installing this update, it will say that it will replace your OEM software, that is basically the software that has come with your laptop preloaded from the manufacturer. But you don't need to worry about because it will fix your update, because this is the latest update straight from Intel and not from HP. Therefore, it will remove all the issues that you are having with your graphics. So once you install this update, you're good to go and you will be able to use your computer, HP computer, smoothly. This is a free application and an official application from Intel, and it will, if you are having a laptop which has Intel Iris Xe graphics or any other graphics, this will work surely. So this is how you can easily fix your Windows display which is flickering more often. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.